Hi guys, TCS25 here, welcome to a video today, and I'm at Cheddington on the West Coast main line, and today we're seeing services by Virgin Trains, London Midland and definitely Freight, because there's one coming right now, which is coming very slowly, so I'll film it when it comes. No Southern services today because of a strike, so they're all cancelled. Typical Southern. So we were just seeing the Virgin and the Midlands today. So yeah. Our first train of the day is Class 66 bound for Felixstowe. Just double check that on real-time trains for you. I believe it's the Felixstowe service. So I'm looking at real-time. I've just been to Milton Keynes for now, and I was looking at real-time trains there, and I've got a feeling this is the going to Felixstowe. I'll double check. It is going to Southampton. Devonshire to Southampton. 13:10. Yeah, it has to be. So it's. So I can get a tone from it, eh? Thank you there. 66 416. Oh hello, here goes Penlina bound for London Euston. That was 39046. Here comes a London Midland, bound for I don't know where actually. It's 351.06. Double check that for you. It's going to. I don't really know. To be honest, brutally honest with you, I don't have a clue where that's going. I think it's running late. It's not. I can't find our real-time trains. I think it's a Birmingham. Next train to pass, the 13:12 Virgin train service from London Euston from Chester. Two to 101, I believe that was. Off to London Euston. Next train to pass, the 13:15 Virgin train service to London Euston from Manchester Piccadilly. It looked like 391.12. It was 391 something. I'm not quite sure. Next train to pass to London Midland. 351.23. Once again, I don't have a clue because they don't show real-time trains on the Midlands, which is a bit annoying. For some reason, only the Virgin trains does. That's probably the Crewe, possibly. Wait, I don't know. It's just weird. This is. I don't know. I think trains are being delayed currently, so I don't have a clue. And the train passed the 13:18 London Midland service to London Euston from Birmingham New Street. Thank you. 351.28. Brilliant tone there from the driver. Thanks for that. Next train to come through is a Penlina to I do not have a clue where. I think it's running into stock. 391.51, I know that. It was when I went on from Stoke to Milton Keynes earlier in the business at a great livery, which is probably one of the most scariest rides I've done in my life because it was pretty bumpy. to be virtually honest. To be brutally honest, wasn't it? But I don't have a clue where that's going to, so sorry about that. Next train to go through is a Class 66 from Felixstowe North to Ditton. Excellent tone there from the driver, that's amazing. 66569. About 6 10, here comes 35101. That's service bound for London Euston from Crewe. Next train to pass through is a Virgin Super Voyager bound for London Euston from Birmingham New Street, and it possibly could be two together. No, it isn't. 22142. Now James passed for another Virgin trains bound for I think it's Birmingham New Street. Thank you for the tone for the driver there, and I didn't see the number. I wasn't actually looking at the number. Yeah, I think that's the Birmingham New Street service. Next train to go through is a London Midland service bound for I don't know where. 35116 with an excellent two-tone there from the driver, and that's going to Northampton. Now going through is a Virgin Voyager. 22114, that's going to, I believe, Chester. Yes, it will be Chester. Now train to pass through is the 1335 Virgin train service to London Euston from Liverpool Lime Street. $391.25. Sorry if this video possibly might be a bit too short, I'm sorry for that, because I'm in a rush today. So I'm going out this evening somewhere, so I need to be home pretty quick. So I'm sorry if this video is quite short today, because I'm in a big rush. But I thought I'd come out today because I won't be recording for quite a while now. A bit busy, I think. So yeah, but saying that, I say that a lot of times, do I? So I don't know, yeah. I don't know, we have to see. Here comes a London Midland bound for Birmingham New Street. And also coming through is another London Midland. This is 377, good tone there. That's 35124 to London Euston. Next train to come through is a Virgin Trains Pendolino to London Euston. Thank you. I didn't see the number. All I know was 11 car. It's really hard to see numbers here actually. Quite hard than I thought. It's actually quite hard. Next train to come through is a Virgin Trains Pendolino bound for Manchester to Piccadilly. $391.37. Next train to go through is Virgin Trains Pendolino to London Euston. from Glasgow Central. .9121, I think that is. Don't quote me on that, even though you probably don't know because you probably can't see it either. Next train to pass through is a Virgin Trains Pendolino bound for London Euston from Birmingham New Street. .9152, Virgin Night, I know that. It's my favourite Pendolino. I think it's 152. It did definitely have 2 at the end anyway. Next train to pass through is the 1352 Virgin train service to Glasgow Central from London Euston, obviously. .9138. Well, I should have a freight train passing through. I do not have a clue where it is. And it says it's running on time on wheel time trains. It should have passed 10 minutes ago, but I haven't seen it. Next train to go through is London Midland from... I was going to London Euston anyway, I don't know where it's from though. And it's formed of 35254. Next train to go through is a Virgin train service bound for London Euston from Manchester Piccadilly. .39050, I believe that is. Actually, I don't think it will, because I saw that at Milton Keynes earlier. It can't have got down here this quick. Don't know where that's from. I don't know what set it is. What is it? My London Midlands just over there, so I better hop down over the platform, and that will be the end of the video. But here comes another Pendolino. Right, come on, get through. .118, that's going to Manchester Piccadilly as well. But anyway guys, thanks for watching the video today. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because that would be very appreciated. My next station, I don't know where, but it possibly could be London King's Cross. We'll have to see. But anyway guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.